Okay, so this I don't usually like making videos like this. Because I think it's a bit kind of, I don't know, it's a bit kind of like just a bit kind of, I don't know, I just don't usually like making videos like this, but I don't think I've ever really made a video about like this before. It's just because I've not really wanted to. But this is I'm going to be talking about a fairly big misconception in the public in the current day, and that is when a building has a ground floor and then a first floor, and a second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, etc., which is pretty much all buildings in the UK, or ground floor or floor 0, and then floor 1 above that. People seem to think, so say for a building which had like a ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, a lot of people, I've heard a lot of people saying that building would have, well, not the specific building with that specific amount of floors, but a building that say would have like a ground floor and then like floors 1 to like 5 above the ground floor. I've heard a lot of people would probably say that that building has 5 floors. But no, it would have 6 floors: the ground floor, the first floor, the second floor, the third floor, the fourth floor, and the fifth floor. 6 floors. But a lot of people kind of think that they kind of forget about the ground floor and kind of just think floors 1 to 5, that would be 5 floors. But they completely forget about the ground floor, so it would mean it would have 6 floors. So let's take a look at Primark in Gravesend. This building, this shop or whatever, is on 4 floors. The ground floor, or floor 0 in the shop. It doesn't call it a ground floor at all in the shop. There's nothing saying ground floor at all in the shop. The first floor, the second floor, and the third floor. So 4 floors. The ground floor, and then floors 1 to 3. So let's take a look at reviews. Let's take a look at floors. It's actually quite a common thing. There's a lot of reviews that mention floors. And as you can see, didn't realise this branch was spread over 3 floors. But no, it's 4 floors. So this person has obviously, like many people, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to this person, but they've obviously not really thought of there being a ground floor. They've kind of just focused on floors 1 to 3 and just thought, oh, 3 floors. And they've just put 3 floors. Here, this one doesn't say anything. This one. This person has got it right, spread over 4 floors. This person has also got it right, 4 floors. And then this person again, 3 floors. And then another one, good for you, that's 3 floors. And this person said over 3 floors. And then over 3 floors. So there's more people in these reviews saying 3 floors than 4 floors. I know it's only one more person, but still, that is that's proof that this is a very big misconception. This isn't just a few people. This is quite a big misconception. I mean, there's only 5 reviews mentioning the amount of floors. That I'm not saying some amount of floors, a number of floors. Some are just saying a few floors, but still, the fact that more reviews say 3 floors than 4 floors does imagine if you maybe this is just coincidence, but I don't know. I've seen a lot of people say it. Imagine if you you shouldn't always do this with situations like this. But for this situation, imagine if you took this and multiplied it, and times 3 by 100 and 2 by 100, you get 200 and 300. And if that's actually possible, if this was the amount of people say, if that would actually happen in the public, if you could actually divide times the like imagine if 200 people, 100 more people in average said 3 floors than the people that said 4 floors. Like imagine if I don't know if that's true. Maybe that isn't real or not. Maybe more. Maybe it's just I don't know. I have heard a lot of people, and it's even if it's like a basement and a ground floor. Some people might just say 3 floors, but if there's a ground floor and a first floor, they're most likely to say 2 floors because they've seen that there's an upper floor, there's escalators or stairs, and a lift. Or maybe no, but most people say 2 floors then, but then when you get up to ground 1, 2, most people would also say 2 floors. Or maybe they'd say 3 floors then, but then you get to ground 1, 2, 3, and a lot of people would still say 3 floors or just say 3 floors. So yeah, again, I'm not trying to be disrespectful in this video. I'm not trying to be disrespectful to anyone in this video. I'm just addressing quite a common misconception, and I don't know. I don't. This video isn't going to change things at all. I don't know. It's just getting it's just becoming a really big misconception that like people just think of building has like 3 floors, even if it would have floors 1, 2, 3, but then also a ground floor, possibly even a basement. And I don't know about if there's like 2 basements or like a mezzanine or anything, but like I think people nowadays, well, actually no, this floor, because this has like 0, 1, 2, 3. I just don't think people really think about it that much. Like, and I can't blame them. I don't think some stuff I just don't really process that much. But like, I don't know. But it's usually different stuff to other people. But I just thought I'd address that because it is quite a common misconception. It is surprisingly common. A lot of people would say a building like this, which has 4 floors, the ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, they would say that building would only have 3. So I mean, it does happen a lot more in like ground floor buildings, I think, because I think purely because people in a lift or like outside a lift, people would only focus on numbers. Numbers just stand out more than like a G or something, or maybe even 0. Like 0 just doesn't seem to stand out as like 1, 2, or 3. Like, I don't know, it's just a really common misconception. I thought I should make a video just addressing it, because I've not really heard of anyone else talk about it. Anyways, I'll stop rambling now. I'll let you do other stuff with your time. And yeah, that's it. Bye.